Every home has a story. Some are measured in square feet. Others are measured in quiet mornings, conversations around the kitchen, and the memories that slowly become part of everyday life. This was ours. When we learned Toll Brothers was building this small community tucked away in McLean, we knew we had found something special. We became the first people to call this house home. Every finish, every cabinet, every detail was chosen with care, not just because it looked beautiful, but because we imagined living here for years. The kitchen quickly became the heart of our days. Morning coffee in the sunlight, weeknight dinners, weekend meals with family and friends. We loved cooking here. The oversized cabinets gave us more storage than we ever expected, and every time the afternoon sun hit the backsplash, the entire room seemed to glow. Some of our favorite memories weren't celebrations at all. They were quiet Saturday mornings, reading by the windows, watching the neighborhood wake up, looking out over the little park while sunlight filled the house. Those simple moments are the ones we'll miss the most. In every season, the rooftop became another living room. Summer evenings under the stars, winter nights beside the fireplace with a blanket and a warm drink. We've watched neighbors create play spaces for their children, host dinners with friends, or simply enjoy the quiet after a long day. What surprised us most was how peaceful this neighborhood feels. It's easy to forget you're only minutes from Tysons, the Beltway, and downtown Washington. We loved walking to the metro, picking up coffee at Sunday morning bakehouse, meeting friends at Lost Dog Cafe, running everyday errands without getting in the car. There were countless little things we came to appreciate. A newly built home meant everything simply worked. The custom shades kept the house comfortable year-round. Utility bills stayed lower than we expected. Even after winter storms, the HOA quietly cleared the driveway before we ever had to think about it. Leaving wasn't part of our plan. We hope the next family finds the same peace, the same laughter, the same quiet mornings, and builds memories here that are every bit as meaningful as ours. Welcome home.